Hello. Today I'm going to read Splosh by Mick Inkpen. Splash went the rain on Kipper's umbrella. Splosh went the puddle as Kipper jumped in. Flash went the lightning. Boom went the thunder. Drip, drip, drip went the water off the hedgehog's nose. Hop, splat, hop, splat, hop, splat went the three little rabbits. A tissue went the hedgehog. And then he did it again. A tissue. Slop, slap, slop, slap went the water under the umbrella. And without a slap, slop, hop, splat, drip, boom, flash, splosh or splash, out came the sun.